Hello everyone, so I've just walked into Dollarama and immediately upon walking in I noticed these. Comes in a little metal tin. They're coasters. Mickey and Minnie. Lots of canisters. You know what they haven't been putting out recently is any more of these storage jars. They're glass and they have little bamboo lids. Super trendy, and now they're really thin glass, but they're good for some some storage in my craft room. I'm not too sure about in the kitchen. Oh, actually, I have loose leaf tea in one of mine. I thought these were the rings. I haven't seen the rings. Has this box gotten smaller? I really like using this to deodorize my carpet. I just let it sit there and vacuum it up. And these are the small spaces. I found Barkeeper's. Oh, this is for Breeze. I found Barkeeper's Friend the other day at another Dollarama, and I was so excited. I thought it would be like a standard item now, but it looks like I haven't found it anywhere else. This is the cleaning vinegar. Anything fun and new that you've found? Oh, Murphy's oil. Isn't the color different? Mine's so much more brown. They have Comet, Easy Off, lots of cleaning supplies. They even have Vim, which I love Vim with bleach, to scrub my sinks. These are cute. If you're looking to do like even a little costume or something, you don't have to wear it as an apron. Which one do you like better, the elf or Santa? I haven't seen these anywhere else. Geez, I can't get this back up there. Right, that's how I'll leave it. And I'll take a look at lots of goodies that are over here that I haven't spotted at any other Dollarama. So these are really large paper bags. They're not small, you know, like your typical size. And they're beautifully printed, so you can use them. I mean, I can think of a few ways I can use them, especially when it comes to paper crafts. I can wrap something with it, just with the pretty Merry Christmas. I mean, you can put cookies, you can put a gift in them, so it's totally up to you, but maybe you have other ideas on how to use them. By the way, these, are they called cable boxes, I think? They're so well done, and they're so expensive. I was looking on Amazon, to be honest, and they were so pricey for a few, so I think I'm gonna grab a couple here. Just spotted these, so they come with 5 per pack, and just gonna show you the prints. Some really nice prints in here. So these ones have the little trees. Oh, I saw the gingerbread man pan as well. It's out there somewhere, and they have Grinch themed little gingerbread man mold. Has anyone done anything cute with it? Bigger molds up top. I love these as well. They're the perfect size for just a few treats if you want to, you know, gift some homemade cookies. And they have the printed parchment paper that you can put in the boxes. This store is actually very well stocked. Like, I'm spotting things I haven't seen anywhere else. How cute are these? They also have tablecloths if you're looking for a new print. These are Pyrex, and they're the night before Christmas print. So you have pumpkin and Jack Sparrow, I think? No, I don't know. One mug is missing, the gingerbread. These are pretty candles. It's 2 for $3. They have little lanterns. And these, oh wow, I haven't spotted these before. I saw some, but they weren't as pretty. This one reminds me of the Grinch with little Cindy Lou. In the craft aisle, there are these kits here. They're sand unicorns. I've never seen them before. They're just like a DIY craft, and they're made by the Toy. These are back. They were available last year. They're just storage containers. These are perfect little pieces for shaker pockets or jewelry making. And I have not seen these kits anywhere else, or like paper pad, I should say. They're all metallic, and there's a variety of colors here, so I'll just share them with you. And there's some matte pages in here as well. I think I'm going to grab a pack because I haven't seen this anywhere else. Great if you're doing if you cut things on a Cricut or Silhouette, this is a great price. It looks like they have a great selection of the 12 by 12 paper pads, which we normally see at Dollarama. Cute little ribbon kits. Perfect for Christmas. Birthdays as well. Really nice. And this is like that velvet finish. These would be so cute to make some really pretty ornaments for the tree. They have the Avengers and Star Wars blankets if you're looking for a gift for Christmas. Or if you know how to make things yourself, they have these. They have the Among Us puzzle, but they also have Love Diana toys up top. So a couple weeks back, I spotted some really nice wrapping paper at Dollarama made by Martha Stewart, and I have not been able to find it at any other Dollarama. Has anyone had any luck finding those rolls? They were really pretty, and I think they were selling for $4 a roll, if I'm remembering correctly. They have some fun metallics here. So they have a couple repeating boxes here, and then it looks like the standard wrapping paper that we're finding at all the other Dollaramas. This one here is cute. It says no peeking until December 25th. Yeah. Anyways, we have some pretty gift bags as well here. Has anyone tried these? Are they like the Ferrero Rocher? Get some more Christmas wrapping goodies here. This one is a fun box. I actually thought it was balloons for a second, so it'd be fun for a birthday in December. It's kind of like ornaments turned into balloons. I like it. Lots of boxes here. And these are pretty sturdy, like they're a heavier material. And there's some deeper boxes, so just look along the top, you'll find different sizes. Some are a little more shallow, as you can see. There are a whole bunch of bags in the corner here, so I want to go over and look at them as well. Well, what are these? Are they considered the silver dollars? I'm not sure what type of picks those are. All right, to the corner to take a look at the fabric bags. I just thought I'd share these with you. I really like them because I like the bigger the better, because then I just will toss a bunch of the kids' gifts into it, and then until Christmas Day, then I can sort it. It's easier that way, especially when I'm just wrapping stuff. It's nice to just put all their little things and boxes and stuff in here until I'm all done. Cute little prints, but again, the bigger the better. And they have some really nice reusable bags, so if you want to gift a gift in here, then they can use this again, these bags, right? Another little corner here with some boxes. I really like the gingerbread theme one. And along the bottom here, you'll see they have the cookie containers. Now, I think, to be honest, Dollar Tree has similar ones, and they're half the price. So This one's really large and good quality, but for the ones that are, you know, available somewhere else. Quick run down the toiletry section. So they have the little Freeman packages, and these sponges I think sell for a lot more somewhere else. Oh, these are new. Hair towels and such. And they have some razors, toothpaste if you need stocking stuffers. Tom's of Maine toothpaste is here. I want to say thank you so much to somebody who let me know that they have the sushi print pants like this, but I think these are just little cats, right? No sushis. Oh, but they have plaid pants, which my kids are right into. And fuzzy socks. My daughter is all about her cozy socks. So here I grabbed a few pairs, at least matching pairs for the kids. They have the baking stuff spread out through the store. It's crazy. Like, there's just different sections for this everywhere. Cute gingerbread themed goodies, right? This sign is too cute. They have gingerbread kisses. Oh my gosh, love it. They have these again. They were out for a little while, then they disappeared, and now they're back again. Somebody was looking for these candles, I think in green. Some more of the little lanterns. Look at this gorgeous ribbon. And these signs, or tags, were at Winners and Marshalls, I think for $7.99. The exact same ones as the Santa ones. The packaging was different. These sold really fast. Little pom-pom is super cute. They have some other ones here as well. And each of the boxes have a different colored pom-pom, which is cute. Little red and a white. And they have bigger and smaller ones. How does everyone pick out their gift boxes? Are you a gift box user? Here's a little end cap, and it has the gingerbread mug. And these beautiful trays. By the way, has anyone tried this in their toilet? I keep seeing them and wondering. They have really nice calendars. This time of year, January, you'll start to see more planners, more calendars. These are pretty. I haven't seen these before in the stationery. Plastic. Well, I guess it's like home decor. And these, somebody was looking for them, so they are available if you're looking. You're doing a collage of some sort. And these look like they're part of the summer line. Really nice felt. Really nice felt. I'm almost tempted to buy some because it's hard to find good felt. This is incredible. So something like this at Dollar Tree, you get a really small quantity. This is a huge roll. Or should I grab these little felt squares? Sometimes it's hard to know. This is made by Barbie. If you're looking for a little jewelry set, kit making set, super cute. I cannot believe how much Harry Potter stuff is here. Mr. Potato Head, just a quick glimpse down the toy aisle. I know that some of you appreciate this. Some games, card games, Friends, the TV series, Trivial Pursuit, which is a brand name. Just a quick overview here. So there's some of my first puzzles. I don't know what brand that is, but I don't want to pull it out and things come toppling down. By the way, they do have Melissa and Doug items. I just walked past them, so I forgot to share them with you, but here they are. Wooden puzzles. Amazing. You will not find this for this price anywhere else. I believe they're running for $4 to $5. And then basketballs. Polar Express battery operated train set. So if you have the Polar Express story, this is a perfect, well, no, this is North Pole Express, so it's not the brand. Super cute. And here are some more board games. It's a pretty good value, $3.50. These little bombs. I know we're used to seeing all this stuff. These are going off the shelf very quick when you find them. Little trees. Lots of faux trees. I'm actually surprised that there's so much available. Guess things are just not selling. Little soaps. So cute. I love the little prints. These are all new to me. Squishy things and blankets. I hope you enjoyed walking through Dollarama with me today, and until next time everyone, thank you so very much for watching. Bye for now.